everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sophia, and today we are going to talk about our first day at school.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Sophia, do you remember your first day at school?
Yes, Ryan, I remember it very well.
How did you feel?
I felt excited and a little nervous.
I felt the same way.
Really?
Yes, everything was new.
New teachers, new classmates, and a new classroom.
Exactly.
What did you do first when you arrived at school?
I looked for my classroom.
Was it easy to find?
Not really.
What happened?
I walked to the wrong classroom.
Oh, no.
Yes, but a teacher helped me.
That was nice. What about you? My mother walked me to the school gate.
How did you feel then?
I felt a little scared
Why?
because I did not know anyone.
That is normal.
Yes, many students feel that way.
Did you make friends on the first day?
Yes, I did.
That's great.
I sat next to a friendly girl.
What was her name?
Her name was Lily.
Did you become good friends?
Yes, we are still friends today.
Wow, that sounds wonderful.
What about you?
I met a boy named Ethan.
Were you nervous to talk to him?
A little.
What did you say?
I said, "Hello, my name is Ryan."
Simple and friendly.
Yes.
And what did he say?
He said, "Nice to meet you."
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it when meeting someone new.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
Hi, I'm Sophia. Nice to meet you.
Very good.
Thank you.
Did you like your teacher?
Yes, very much.
Why?
She was kind and patient.
Those are good qualities.
What was your teacher like?
He was friendly and funny.
That sounds nice.
He made everyone laugh.
A good teacher can help students feel comfortable.
I agree.
Do you remember your classroom?
Yes.
What did it look like?
It had colorful walls and many posters.
Mine had pictures and learning charts.
Did you like it?
Yes, it looked bright and welcoming.
That sounds nice.
Ryan, were there many students in your class?
About 25 students.
That is a good number.
How many students were in your class?
Around 30.
That's quite a lot.
Yes, but everyone was friendly.
That helps.
Absolutely.
What subjects did you have on the first day?
We had English, math, and art.
Art sounds fun.
It was.
What did you draw?
I drew my family.
Nice.
What was your favorite subject?
English.
Really?
Yes, I enjoyed learning new words.
Me too.
Let's learn some school vocabulary.
Great.
The word classroom means the room where students learn.
Example, my classroom is on the second floor.
Excellent.
Another word is teacher.
A teacher helps students learn.
Example, my teacher is very kind.
Very good.
Another useful word is student.
Example, every student has a desk.
Great example.
Thank you.
Let's learn a little grammar.
Good idea.
We often use the verb meet.
Yes,
Is it regular or irregular?
it is regular.
What is the past tense?
Met.
Example,
Today I meet my teacher.
and in the past?
Yesterday I met my teacher.
Excellent.
Another useful verb is study.
Example, I study English every day.
Very good.
Past tense, I studied English yesterday.
Perfect.
Ryan, did you carry a school bag?
Of course.
What was inside?
Books, pencils, and notebooks.
I had the same things.
Did you have a favorite pencil?
Yes.
Really?
It had a cute design.
That's funny.
What color was your school bag?
Blue.
Mine was pink.
Nice color.
Thank you.
Did you eat lunch at school?
Yes.
How was it?
It was good.
What did you eat?
A sandwich and an apple.
Healthy choice.
What about you?
I ate rice and vegetables.
Sounds delicious.
Thank you.
Listeners, do you remember your first day at school?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to hear your stories.
Sophia, what was the best part of your first day?
Making a new friend.
That's wonderful.
What was your favorite part?
Meeting my teacher.
Why?
Because he made learning fun.
That's important.
Yes.
Did you feel tired after school?
A little.
Me too.
There was so much to learn.
and so many people to meet.
Exactly.
Let's learn another useful sentence.
Okay.
Can you help me find my classroom?
Very useful for new students.
Yes.
Another sentence is, may I sit here?
Excellent.
Many students use that sentence on the first day.
That's true.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Great.
Say the word school.
School.
Very good.
Now say classroom.
Classroom.
Excellent.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It helps more English learners find our channel.
Thank you for your support.
We really appreciate it.
Sophia, do you think the first day at school is important?
Yes, very important.
Why?
Because it is the beginning of a new journey.
I like that answer.
Thank you.
Students learn new things and make new friends.
And they grow every day.
That's true.
School is not only about studying.
It is also about experiences.
Exactly.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We talked about the first day at school.
We learned useful vocabulary and grammar.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
Small practice can bring big results.
Believe in yourself and keep learning.
See you in the next episode.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.